adding a text field to a database. So what we do is we drag single line text over to the right hand side where it says our database, and we have to give it a name. So I'm going to give it a name of this is a text field, and I'm going to tick. So users will now see, if they refresh the page, they will see a text field. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to submit some text. This is some text, and we'll submit that. We'll have a private link to it. Let's have a look at some of the controls that we can do around a text field. So if we edit text field and we hit required and we refresh this page, and it says this is no mandatory, so we'll be obliged to fill it in. Another thing is autocomplete. Now, autocomplete is when you start typing something and the browser tries to fill in the rest for you, or it gives you options on what to add to an input. Unfortunately, not all browsers respect this, but Dataflex Link does what it can to respect your choice when editing this field. So I'm going to put autocomplete equals yes, and then we'll refresh the page. And if we start typing what we added earlier, we'll see that this browser doesn't respect the fact that we've told it to autocomplete. However, there will be browsers that do respect this, but I would say don't rely on browsers respecting this. The next field we're going to change is allow special characters. So right now, if I just say hi there, comma, it won't allow us because comma is a special character. If we then change this on the field settings and we refresh, we should be able to add any special characters. And there we go, added. The next field is allow a field to be pre-filled. So what I'm going to do there, first of all, I'm going to grab this field ID and I'm going to add it to this URL here. And I'm going to say equals hi. And right now you'll see that does not have an effect. However, if I change allow field to be pre-filled, this now should be pre-filled when we reload with hi. There we go, and we can submit that.